He represented Brazil to attended Mr. World 2007 pageant on March 31, 2007, in Sanya, People's Republic of China, and won the first runner-up. Gil has a degree in nutrition but changed career direction when he entered the 2007 Mr. Brazil Beauty Contest, in which he won. Then, he went to Mr. World where he was proclaimed first runner-up and started to represent his country around the world. Soon after winning, he appeared in a commercial for Colgate and campaigns for Calvin Klein. His unexpected success in modeling has given him the confidence to pursue his goals and encouraged him to make the move to Hollywood. In 2009, he did just that by moving to New York to focus his career as a runway model. Gil's first job after moving in New York was a photo shoot for Brazilian Vogue courtesy of Boss Models.